So I've been looking for a car mount which is MagSafe compatible, which can be connected to the air vent and which can be put on the dashboard. So I finally found one. Now this is a MagSafe compatible car mount which has a air vent attachment and which comes with a dashboard attachment. So let's go ahead, unbox this, install this on the car and then do the real life review. So let's go ahead, start with the video. Okay, so let's go ahead and see what you get in the box. So you get one dashboard attachment which is like this. So you can just remove this 3M tape, the sticker, and then just stick it wherever you want. Then you have this mount which is the air vent mount. So it opens like that, you put it in the air vent and then you tighten it. Now this rotates also, so we'll be looking at that when we install it. And this is the actual MagSafe mount. So you can see this is quite sturdy. Now it comes with its ball socket joint over here, so you can put it over here or over there. Now the good thing is you can put both of them in your car and according to your mood you can keep changing it, changing the position. After that we get this. So this entire thing is for a case which does not have MagSafe on it. So in case you have a case like this which does not have MagSafe mount, then you can stick this onto that and now this can stick onto the MagSafe mount. Now you can directly stick it onto the case if your case is really smooth. If you don't have a smooth case where you have a textured case, little bit of texture, then you will have to use this. So this is the sticker which you use to stick it over here. So this will give it a nice smooth surface, no air bubbles will come in, and then you will stick this over that. So this is only in case you don't have a MagSafe compatible one. So I have a MagSafe compatible case, so for me that's not a problem, I can just directly connect to it. But in case you don't have one, you can do this. And then you get this alignment tool. Now most of the time when you're going to stick, you don't know if it is centered or not, whether it's in the middle or not. Then you can just put this over there. Now from here exactly how much, so you will have to have the same distance from here and here and then same distance from here and here, so you can actually align it according to where you want it. Now this is not a wireless charger, so it doesn't matter if you actually connect it right where the charging is going to be. You can put it up and down, but if you want the charging to work, so then make sure you actually align it properly. Put your wireless charger on it and then put the alignment sheet over there and then stick this, so that the charging will also work and the mount will also work. So and then that's the user manual. So over here it shows you everything about the mount. It's giving you technical information about the mount, what's called what, and then on the other side it shows you how to fix the MagSafe ring. So that's all. Now let's go ahead, put this onto the car and then see how it actually works. Okay, so let's go ahead and see how to actually fit this onto the air vent. So this is the air vent attachment. So you can put it like this straight, or you can put it sideways if you have any space over here. So for me, I already have a air vent one. You see I've actually put it over there like that, but this is not a MagSafe one, so you just put the phone in. Now I'll put this one over here, so you can either make it go upwards, let me just show you this, upwards or downwards. So both ways it's fine, I've used both ways. Now let's try putting it over here. So I'll just first of all I'll just open this up. Open it up completely. Now push this in gently and now I'll start rotating it clockwise. So anti-clockwise it opens up, clockwise it tightens. Now it's completely tightened. Now once it's secure, I can actually set it up wherever I want it, and then this moves so I can move it to whichever side I want. Now I'll tell you why is it important. Let me just put this back. Now I'll open this up, put this here and fix this. Okay, now that's done. Now I want to put my phone. I'll just put my phone over here like that and it's done. Now why is it important that this rotates? Now if I want my air vents to be open and I want the air to come to me, this allows it to go towards the side and I can use the air vent. Second, if I use this, I have one big problem, which is that when I put the wire to charge the phone, it blocks a little bit of the screen. Over here it will not block the screen, it's going towards that side. And if I want to put it here, maybe if I want to block the air vent, I can always put it that way. So I have the flexibility of putting it whichever side I want. So that's something which I really liked. Now this has one more feature. So this actually turns over here. You see this actually bends. So you can put it over a curved surface. So if you have any surface like this where it's curved and you want, or maybe this part where it's curved, you can actually curve it and then stick it onto it. So this is also really good. Now it depends on what do you want. If you want to stick it with this, you can stick it. You can even stick it over here. You can stick it there. You can stick it over here if you want. And then let me just show you that. You can stick it over here and then put the phone over there too. So this is good if I want. Like there is one more here. I have another holder over here, but then this actually is going to hit my leg every time, so I can remove that and I can just put this one over here and put the MagSafe attachment over here. So that's also going to be good. So that's how you actually fit this. Now you can put it onto the other vent. You can put it onto this vent sideways also. Let me just show you that. So taking it out is quite easy. Just open it up and then just gently pull it out. Open it up completely first so it doesn't get stuck, and pull it out. Now you can put it sideways also. Now this is sideways, you won't have a straight vent, but even in that you can actually put it there and tighten it and put the phone over there. So it's that easy. So doesn't matter which kind of vent you have. The only problem it has is with the round vents, because it won't have a straight stick to actually hold on to and pull. So that's how you fit it. Now I have just put this in. I've not used it, so I can't really comment on how good the performance is. Once I use it, then I'll get back to you and let you know how good this was. Okay, so you've seen how this actually performs. So I've taken it through all the bad roads, all the potholes, speed bumps, everything, and I was actually surprised by the performance. I thought that this is going to at least shake like that, because it has a long stick, and when you actually put it on an angle which is sideways, there's a lot of weight, and that weight is going to go on to the mechanism and that might pull it down. It didn't happen. So quality wise, really good. You can put that over here also. So I put it here as a heads up display, so I can put that there. One more thing I realized after putting this, even this turns, so you can stick it however you want and then turn the angle and then adjust it. Now even now I'm going through some bad roads and this thing does not move. It's actually quite good, quite sturdy. So really good purchase. I'll recommend this for the price. So under 1,000 rupees you're getting a MagSafe holder, and that too, two of them, and the magnetic strength is really good. So that's all for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe with the like button and do comment, and I'll see you again with another video. Bye bye.